crystals change your destiny? Can they change your life, transform your life totally? And is it necessary that everybody in this world should be wearing a crystal? Hi, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on something about crystals, whether they are needed, how do they work, etc. So from this video you will be able to decide, or you'll be able to figure out whether you need a crystal or not. Okay, so make sure that you watch this entire video till the end to get the entire scoop. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, now wearing crystals, there are several approaches to wearing crystals. The very common approach is by astrology. Astrological sign, whatever your sign is, whatever your planets are bringing towards you, if that feels good, then it is fine. But if there is something that is hurting you, it's hurting the process of your life, you feel that your progress of your life is hindered because of some planets, this is where some people decide to wear a crystal that actually helps you to relieve the ill effects of any planet. The same thing applies with, okay, now there are different approaches even with astrology. Some people believe any planet that is like really strong and powerful in your chart, you need to wear a crystal for that, so that the effects of that planet are enhanced. Some believe that you have to wear a crystal based on the planets that are weak in your chart, and the planets that are weak, the gemstone will help to fill in the energy and it will strengthen those planets and thus help you in your life. So see, I'm not here to explain astrology, but just clearing out how this thing works with crystals in astrology, because there are several approaches within astrology itself. Then there is crystal therapy. Crystal therapy is where, again, there are two different approaches. There may be several different approaches to that also. Here I'm just giving you two different approaches to make things simple for you. The first thing is where you wear a crystal that actually calls out to you. Okay, this is called a standard practice, that wear a crystal that feels that it's calling out to you, it is attracting you, its energy is very much enchanting for you. Wear that crystal. The second way is where you are actually seeing the function of a crystal and see what functions, what is the thing that you want to bring in your life. For example, if you feel you need to bring love into your life, then you wear rose quartz, green aventurine. If you feel you want more motivation, you want more confidence, then you bring citrine, yellow citrine or yellow calcite. You feel you want to work on your third eye, you start working with lapis lazuli. So these are the different ways how you can actually think over what do you want in your life, and based on that you can bring a crystal in your life. So your question might be that the claims that people make, that it can be life transforming, your life can it can be a turnaround for your life, all of that, is that true? First of all, yes, it is true. A crystal, when you have the very very correct crystal according to your energy, that resonates with your energy, the energy of that crystal can be life transforming. Second question, you may feel that okay, it was life transforming for that person, but what if somebody does not want to wear a crystal? See, wearing a crystal is not compulsory, and according to astrology, I know that today a lot of people are advised, okay, wear this crystal, wear that crystal, but every time a crystal is not going to prove life transformational. Sometimes something else will be required. So it's not necessary always. But yes, as I said, according to crystal therapy, if you feel you need to bring some kind of energy in your life, definitely involving that crystal's energy is going to be rewarding for you. So how does crystal therapy work? How do crystals work in general? See, any energy that is missing in you. Now let's not talk about planets or something like involving physics. Let's just talk plain and simple energy. There is some energy that is missing in you. Let's say you are a very impulsive person. You don't wait for a second and think and then act. You just act impulsively. So in that case, you may actually want that first you think properly, you just have a cool mind, think things through, and only then you take action. Then there will be a crystal for that. So see, if you are a very impulsive thinker, impulsive action taker, and it has been like this for you for since birth, you have been this way. So if it is that case, then definitely there is the energy of patience that is missing in you. So you can have a crystal that brings energy of patience in you. Now yes, there are different kinds of stones even for that. But let's say you are an impulsive action taker because you are not grounded. Then tiger's eye or hematite can actually help you to stay grounded so that you think well. You are just like a very calm and poised person. When any problem approaches you, you can think it properly and only then take action for that. So that is how you can behave once a crystal is filling in the gaps that you have. Okay, yes, a crystal helps to fill in the gaps. So once those gaps are filled, you will be a complete person. So until then you may be like an incomplete person, like you're not 100%. But once the crystal helps you to fill in the gaps that you have, it actually acts as a thing that makes you 100%, and then you will be like your fullest. You'll be fullest, and it will be easier for you to manage certain things, certain difficulties in your life. And the final thing, once the crystal has filled in the energy gaps, that is when you need to start doing your duty. A lot of people feel that just wearing a crystal is just going to make their life transform, is just going to be a life changer for them. See, if you wear a crystal and you don't do anything, you don't do the karma that is needed, okay, once you become complete, you don't do anything with your energies, then that crystal won't prove to be life transformational. It will definitely feel good to wear that crystal. So, but the transformation that is needed, it's on your part. You have to do something. You have to do some karma. You have to do some work in order to make that transformational change happen once you wear the crystal. Okay, so remember this. Nothing is going to happen on its own. At times, people feel that just wearing a little bit of a stone is just going to make them like a superly duperly rich person. And that just helps you to fill your energy gaps. The rest of the work of making your life super successful is then in your hands. Okay, so this is the video for you. Let me know in the comments how did you like this video. Share this video with people who are actually desperately waiting for some transformation to happen just because of a crystal that they are wearing, or they are just dreaming of getting a crystal that's going to transform their life. Okay, share this video with them, and I will see you again in my next video. If you would like to purchase crystals from my store, then go ahead. I will be placing a link below this video so that you can purchase. Be careful, this is available only for residents within India, and if you are out of India, then also I'll be placing a link for you so that you can order the crystals internationally. Okay, yeah. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.